Hi guys, it's Talk Back Tuesday with me, Nancy, and today I want to talk about light fixtures over an island. So my question for you is, do you particularly like a large island with a light fixture over instead of pendant lighting? I personally love how this looks. So it's a light fixture that you would probably see over like a dining room. Actually, they have the same light fixture over a dining room, as you can see. We will show you that. And then they also have the same light fixture over here over the bar. And I personally love it. I think it looks real glam and is a great statement piece, but I want to know what you think. Do you prefer a light fixture or pendant lights? Cast your vote below and let me know, and I hope everyone is living just fancier.